And today I'll be showing you this 3x3 Rubik's Cube. And this is our original Rubik's Cube. So here it says super durable bonded solid plastic tiles. So it means that these are plastic tiles, not stickers. And there's a stand that says Rubik, so it's down there. And you can see that the colors on the Rubik's Cube is mixed because I bought it and I started playing with it. But when you actually see it and buy it, all the colors are matched. So let's see. Here's the Rubik's Cube. I'll show you the stand. Okay, so here is the stand. See? Here's the stand. This triangle. This is how you put it. So this Rubik's, you have to put like sideways. Yeah, so this is how it looks like when you put it. See how it looks? Okay. And when you move it, I like how it's smooth, like it's not like you move it and it's stuck. So like you can see, I'll show you. It's really easy. It's nice and smooth, guys. It's really smooth. That's what I like about this original Rubik's Cube. So if you guys like playing with Rubik's Cube, I recommend this one. So I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe, like. I'll see you in another video.